What is up, guys? Look at that Muc-Off tubeless tape. I leave an affiliate link in the description below because look at this. I just taped this thing up. I bought 35mm one. This is a 30mm internal width, but as you can see, I got soap in there. Let me zoom out. No bubbles at all. Finally, a success. So I guess I'm gonna clean up the other ones and use this one instead. I might need to buy some 30mm for the other rims, but I got two sets that I can use this Muc-Off 35mm one. So I'm gonna use it on this one and also on my T8. It says it covers up to 4 29ers, and this thing is I think is gonna be a success now. So it's about $14, and I can kind of see that this is ready for Muc-Off. I also got the nut puncture sealant, and I'm gonna put 2 ounces in there as recommend, or whatever is recommended in there, and should be good to go. But I guess when you buy the right stuff, it works great. I don't know why I did not have any luck with the Gorilla Tape, as many people do have luck with that. So these valves were like $4, and as you can see, there's not a single bubble coming out of there. See it perfectly. Use hand pressure. I did not use any pliers or anything like that. No bubbles coming out of the spokes, which is exactly what I was looking for. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this or whatever is recommended, and I will be tubeless finally. Again, I will leave affiliates for all these products in the description below. For this one, the valve, and also the tape that I bought, and you can select the one that you need. And that's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.